Am I late? It is 4K on YouTube. What are you talking about? Ocelot? My 4-year-old woke up, and my wife is not awake. So I started the stream, and then it's 1440p. Is that 4K? What's up, Espelite on YouTube? I want to call out people on YouTube because it's rare that people get on YouTube and watch this. That's 2K? Well, beggars, choosers, etc., etc. I really need more screen real estate on this teleprompter. What's up, Neil Cromer on YouTube? Hello from the other side. Yeah, 4K is 2160p, but here's the thing. I tried sending that to YouTube, and they got very angry. It's currently set at 2560 by 1440. We're going to talk about this, I guess. This is what we're talking about, is resolutions. So I set it to 38 whatever by 2160, and YouTube says, and I quote, "You need to change the video resolution. The current resolution is 3840 by 2160, which is not supported for this configuration. No. The expected resolution is 2560 by 1440. So there you go. Nex is here. What's up, Nex? I've been good. How have you been? It's 1440p. Well, that's going to be good enough for today. 1440p. Still no coffee? Yeah, we're working on it. We're working on the international coffee. It's going to be an interesting stream. I'll tell you that. Because there are a lot of reasons I could get very triggered. There's going to be some Git stuff at the beginning where Dax has done some migrations. I'm going to have to rebase in his commits. Things are going to go poorly to start. We're not doing JSX emails. Do I do journaling? No. And there's no off-topic questions because there's no topic. We're just talking. I don't journal. I feel like I should. My iPhone has been telling me, like, it's been suggesting that I journal. I don't know. That can't be. I streamed to 2160, but latency was very low. Maybe it's my settings. I maybe set something wrong on YouTube. You founded a company. Next, what company did you found? Say more. Say more words. You do that sometimes? You journal sometimes, Axe? Now I want to look at the stream settings. Is it the stream latency setting? Is that the problem? I wonder if that's the problem. I set that to low latency. Maybe you can't do 4K with low latency. Maybe. That could be the problem. 645. So it still says I'm setting the wrong latency, but I'm definitely sending the right latency. Oh, they recommend 1350. Okay, well, I can do that. Okay, so YouTube, apparently, we'll get it right next time. Actually, I could end the YouTube stream and start it back up. Let's do that. I look like a journaler, huh? I'm not going to end the Twitch chat or the Twitch stream. I'm just going to end the YouTube one and restart it with some new settings and see how that goes. Okay? So YouTube, I'll be right back. I want to get this right. I'm going to be streaming for like 3-4 hours, and I don't want them to be watching whatever. Check this, Oi Rock. Thank you so much, Oi Rock. Working on a new intro song for Dax stream. Really? Is this another Sonos thing? I have not ended the YouTube one yet because I just want to click on this link. Recommended upload encoding settings. Features only available to partners who use YouTube to connect use partner manager, whatever that means. I don't know what that means. Video codec, H.264. 2 consecutive B frames. I actually know what this stuff means. Variable bitrate. Container MP4, whatever. Frame rate, I do 30, that's fine. Bitrate, here we go. 8K? I could stream in 8K? What? For HDR uploads, recommended audio bitrate, Wait, what are for SDR to view new? I don't have HDR, so it's 4K 2160p. Video bitrate should be 35 to 45. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing 35, and they're saying I should do lower because they're saying I should do 1440p. But I'm not gonna do 1440p. Okay, I think I know what to do. I'm gonna end the stream. I'll see you in a second, YouTube. It was nice chatting. It's nice having you here. I like having YouTube here. It's kind of fun. I'm gonna start doing YouTube stuff. I don't know if I'll ever make YouTube like long form stuff again, but I'm gonna start making some shorts. I think maybe even just cut stuff out of my stream and publish them as shorts. Would that be totally lame? I don't know. YouTube seems more pro. Okay, I could see that. What's up? Adam is here. I didn't even like say hello to everybody that's here. There's so many people here from Twitch. I love you all. You're all so great. Adrenaline's here, and Oirock, and Ocelot, and Project, and Gronablum. And Diamond was here, but he left. Nixie is here. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying who's here. Shorts are good. Okay, Axe, I really am cutting off the YouTube stream. Here we go. I'm gonna be right back. It'll be starting right back up. All right, YouTube's not here. What do we want to say about him? What do you guys want to? You want to make fun of YouTube? I'm gonna make fun of those suckers. They're not here right now. Stream finished. Let's see here. I'm gonna do normal latency, so they're gonna be on some kind of time delay. Can I submit feedback for terminal.shop? Yes. Put the wrong expiration date on my card. Try to change it, but don't see a way to change it. Yeah, I gotta add modifying. Maybe we'll do that today. I have a wife, but I maybe forget her name. What? What now? So here's the thing. You can't. What's up, Mr. Yogurt? Also, welcome to chat, Publo. Holy moly, the camera quality is insane. Just wait till you see it on YouTube. Check this since we're talking about stream quality. IVS rocks. We need to add the ability to delete. You gotta be able to delete payment methods and addresses too. We got so much to do. That's from Dax's new. Did international shipping happen? No, not yet, Adam. I'm gonna do that very soon. That's from the song that I Have a Wife, but Adam. Okay, let's get YouTube back. I'm so all over the place right now. Morning, Julian Beck. Somewhere you told me your wife is working on something like a vegan cookbook. Yes. I can tell you how I eat so much protein. Right after I fix YouTube. Let's do normal latency. Normal latency. It'll be 2160p. Normal latency. What do I want to do here? Save this? Do I need to save it? Is my chat gonna be good? We are back. Actually, not back. I'm not streaming yet. Wait, are you back? Oh, oops. Oh, because I'm still just sending it. Oh. OBS is still sending it, huh? Let's update this. So this should be 3860. 3860? What is it? What's 4K? 38. Stream is healthy. Well, I don't want to break it, but what is it? 3840. 3840. Thank you. Somebody 2160 3840. Okay. No. 1 sec. 3840 by 2160. 2160p. 34,000 and B frames. Okay, that all looks good. How about now? You got me, YouTube? Are we back? Hey, Axe, could you tell me if you see me? 10-8. Now we're just saying numbers. You guys are just saying numbers. We have not gone international yet. Very soon. Rad and Elmore sounds like an insurance company. That does sound like basically you take any two names. It sounds like an insurance company. Okay, we're gonna have like a couple minutes of ads here so we can get rid of the pre-rolls. Welcome to chat, Kai. Expect an order to Australia once you ship here. Well, very soon. Maybe the end of this stream. Yeah, we'll make it where you can delete those and stuff. Okay, there's gonna be ads. We're just gonna be talking while you're watching ads, and then we'll get started programming as soon as the ads are done. Okay? So Twitch, we'll see you in a second. Enjoy your ads. Axe, still not sure if YouTube's back. Do you guys see me on YouTube? Are we good? Are we good? I want to be done thinking about these such things. Stream settings, normal latency. It may just be the latency is so slow that you still haven't even heard me say this, which would be unfortunate. No YouTube? I'm not on YouTube? Oh boy. Well, why am I not on YouTube? It says excellent connection. Maybe I need to, Let's stop YouTube, modify, and then start it again. Also, I need to find out if YouTube hears the music, because they don't like the music. Kick stream looks choppy. Well, that makes sense since I'm not streaming to Kick. Would probably be a little choppy. 652, it says stream health is excellent. Normal latency. Ah, I think I'm back. Am I back? Axe? Am I back? What language is this? What language is what? No, please, not the foreign ads again. Sorry, guys. You guys seeing foreign ads? What's up, Praline Pecan? You and Dax talked about best date library for JS in last podcast. He said Luxon, but he never said why. Do you know why he prefers it? I'm going to guess. Here's my guess. And Dax can correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm going to guess he prefers Luxon because it tree shakes better, and the maintainers are like old friends of his. We're back, 4K. We're back on YouTube, and we're in 4K. Feels good. Now this looks crisp. You guys want to watch me in 4K, head over to YouTube. But don't leave Twitch, because Twitch is also great. And I'm just kind of used to talking to you on Twitch. Chat is disabled. Oh no. Oh no. How do I pop out? Pop out chat. Hang on. Wait for it. Am I going to have to do this every stream? What a bummer. Okay. Okay, we're good. Edward and Axe say we're good. 4K sure looks crisp on my 1080p screen. Adam's beard in 4K. Okay, so ads are over. We're gonna get to programming now, and I feel like I was talking about something, but I don't remember what it was. It could have been that important if I forgot already. Was it about pecans? No, that was something else. Okay. We got too much to do to be talking, you know what I mean? I love you guys, but I got too much to do. This is gonna turn into a stream where you guys just mostly watch me work and I don't talk because I have too much to do. It was about protein. Is that what we were talking about? Okay. Serious question. Java, serious answer. I have no idea. Oh, I was talking about Luxon. Yeah, date stuff. It's probably because the tree shakes better and it's a smaller bundle and all that stuff. What's up, Ibra? Great. I hate it when you talk. I'm only still talking because I'm finishing this coffee, not because I'm not a man of my word, because I am a man of my word. Welcome to chat, Stickums MC. Whoa, I was just scrolling through Twitter this morning, saw the Terminal Coffee Shop, then you show up recommended on Twitch. We're literally working on the Terminal Coffee Shop right this second. Wait, you do Golang? Kind of. I'm not really a Golang dev. I'm not really a Golang dev. I play one on TV. Welcome to chat, Bax Mayhem. Oh, what are we building? We're building a Terminal Coffee Shop. YouTube, real quick. Do you hear my music? Axe, are you hearing the music? How do I like Golang? It's definitely a language. I don't know. That's kind of how I feel about Golang. It's kind of like it doesn't leave a lot of strong feelings. The one feeling I can't shake is that every time I want to condense the code, I want to make it like prettier because I like aesthetics. You can't. you just can't with Golang. There is music. That's a bummer. Well, that means the VODs are dead. The VODs will be copyright whatevered. I don't know if I can fix it. Can I fix it? Modify. It says get from OBS. I can't even change this anymore. I thought I could change this before. Like I could change the encoder for audio, but no, it's just get from OBS. And audio track 2 is supposed to be the one without. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Advanced audio properties. I might have screwed this up. Desktop audio. No, that should not be on channel 2. Huh. Whatever. This just sucks because it means no VODs. Yeah, the music's nice. I like that you guys get to listen to the music. It's just it sucks because then they're gonna not let me keep the VOD up. I think. Did I just leak my key? Oh jeez. Did I? Did I just leak my key? Probably. Is it just right there? Oh jeez. It's just right there. I'll have to recycle that. Bruh. I'm gonna have to do it right now, aren't I? Too much to do for this. Okay, let's go fuzzy so I don't screw this up. No. Screw it up any further than I already have. I'm gonna recycle the key. I can't believe I did that. Ever considered leaving Mac for Linux? Yes. I very much have. I love Mac hardware. Professional streamer, everyone's lolling at me. Would you guys just calm down? Would you just calm down, okay? It happens to everybody. It happens to the best of us. So I need to reset my stream key. This will end all your streams using the key. Okay, I'll be right back, YouTube. I'm sorry. I'll be right back. Welp. This has been a blazing start. Hey, it's almost 7. At least we'll get started at the top of the hour. Maybe. Same leak energy. Does Prime leak a lot? So the thing about Linux is I use Apple hardware. Apple, like a Mac Studio, and I use a Pro Display XDR. And in those situations, I don't know that Linux is going to work. The thing about Asahi or Acai Bowl or whatever Linux, the one that sounds like Acai, that one, the problem with that is, oh, is that counting down? Is it going to hide it after that long? Okay. Did it actually create a new stream key? Is that the same one as before? The thing about it is it doesn't support Thunderbolt, and that's no good. That's no good to me. I need Thunderbolt for my display, if nothing else. Okay, I'm gonna stop YouTube Live. Did I just leak it again? No. Okay. Jeez. Okay, that's normal. That's my new stream key. Okay, fine. Start it again. Guys, why is everything so hard? Why is life so hard? That's kind of strange. Is Pro Display worth it? Probably not for me. I mean, like, the way I use it, probably not. If I were, like, a photographer and I needed to, like, color correct photos, then it probably would be worth it, but I'm not. I do nothing, and I just like the way it looks. It's got that honeycomb thing on the back. What's up, Rick? And I love that. It just looks so cool. Did I try Vision Pro? No, I'm so proud of me. I'm good, Rick. I'm so proud of me for not buying a Vision Pro. Can I just say that? Some people would be proud for things worth being proud of. I'm proud that I didn't buy that stupid device because I feel like that's a thing in the past Adam would have bought, and I didn't. And that feels good. Okay, I got to get the chat. YouTube, do you hear me? Are we back? Once again? Third time's a charm? How often are you looking behind your monitor? Never, Adam. That's a great point. I never see it. So, shouldn't have spent all that money. But you know what? I think I have a mania problem. We back. Okay. Yeah, I know I have a mania problem. And there's something about spending with mania. Like, you just buy stuff. Back with music. Yeah. Ibra, I can't get rid of the music. I don't know. Okay. Let's get back here. And then, where am I? Right here. Everything's streaming. Everything's good. I'm turning off fuzzy. All right. Fuzzy's still on. Is it off now? Please tell me it's off now so I don't have to leak something else. Because I don't want to go to that screen. If I go to that screen, we're back. Okay. $300 Apple gift card. Thinking about buying a Mac Pro because I need to use it. We're good. How do you like the Charm bracelet libs? Love them. I love Charm. I love working with this stuff. It's been a ton of fun. I'm not going to do Bundev yet. Okay, we got to think. That was a double clap situation. That's how much thinking I need to do. I have all these changes in my local change set. I'm touching database tables, and Dax has surely made database changes in the last 12 hours since I was sleeping. I know this because I saw him say on Discord something about, yeah, here it is, product order. Also, what was this he said? He said something about this last night. After... he said something about, oh, yeah. If visible error. What is this API call, though? Would that show up? This is the... I thought visible error only mattered if it was a call straight from Golang into the... Oh, that's the convert cart. Okay. So when we convert the cart, if there's an error, we're going to throw it here. Okay, that's good. That's a good change, Dax. Good job. Dax isn't here, is he? Hey, Dax? Dax? You here? Welcome to chat, Quack the Ripper. As someone who's just getting into web development, what? What? I have a question. I saw you editing an in file on YouTube and saw the in values were converted. Oh, yeah, an Imdum cloak. Someone probably already answered you. That was Leighton. He made it literally while I was streaming. It's like that movie while you were sleeping. Okay, so he made... hate this. Hate it. I hate when we make changes to the database. How are you supposed to manage migrations on a team? What's the answer? Huh? Someone just getting into web development. What's some core advice nuggets? Let's give Quack the Ripper some web development advice. Can I ask you, Quack, do you have prior experience programming? Or are you brand new to programming and you happen to start with web development? I love Java's advice there. Build stuff, find a problem you have, and try to fix it. That's generally my advice. But I'm curious, are you starting your programming career in web development? You don't manage migrations and you cry. Okay, yeah, that's what we're about to do. Because I gotta... Oh, man. I'm gonna drop... Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Push D, packages, core. This requires the utmost concentration. We're gonna say bun, db, run. No. Bun run db. I almost screwed it up right off the bat. Did he ever answer me about whether he's starting his programming career? I don't see him answering now. Welcome to chat. Karsh, what do you mean by coffee shop in the terminal? I can order coffee in the terminal? You sure can. SSH terminal.shop. SSH terminal.shop. If you're in the US, you can do that right this second. If you're not in the US and you live abroad, just give me a bit. I'm working on it literally right now. We're trying to add international shipping right now. Welcome to chat. Daniel Rivers. Coffee was coding. Perfect mix. I know, right? Okay. Bun, run, db, drop. Okay? I think that's the one I want. Drop is the drop migrations, right? Drizzle kit. Anybody? Yes. I'm going to drop my 10 migration. Now we're going to go back and we're going to look at what happened. Did it delete? Yes. Okay. So the last migration was that. That's good. Okay. So now I can regenerate my migrations after I pull latest, after I stash. It's my database is going to be a little hosed, my personal stage on planet scale, but that's okay. Pop D. Now we're going to stash all of this. I hate stashing. I just hate it. But I'm going to do it. Or I could just put it into a commit. Why do I feel better about putting stuff into a commit? Let's just stash it. Whatever. That's the whole purpose of stash, right? Is to work. I'm going to just go ahead and delete the to-do. I want to see if there's anything on here I need to remember. That's done. Make pages. Oh yeah, I gotta do that. Okay, I should have left this. No, I'll do that today. We'll do that today. I'm just gonna delete this file because I don't need it and I'm tired of excluding it. Okay, now we should have a clean get status. Look at it, it's so clean. See the check mark? Is YouTube still here? You guys are quiet. I just want to make sure I didn't break it. Also, did he ever answer me? Moaning Christian Walker? What is that? Are you controlling OBS cameras with your feet? No. Well, I do have a foot pedal for changing scenes, but I'm not controlling any cameras with it. Yes, it's working, but I'm chatting on Twitch. Perfect, Edward. You're good. Just want to make sure I could see chat. I think is face detection. Oh, yeah. It's when I look at the camera. It changes to that. Put it on a separate branch. Yeah. Does anyone else hate stash? Stash just feels... Ugh. Just... Ugh. Song sounds like... Okay. Quack the Ripper. There he is. That's what I was looking for. Brand new. Have a good understanding of tech as a whole, but trying to hone and start my degree soon. Am a bit nervous. Okay. So you're brand new to programming. Quack the Ripper, that's what I was hoping you'd say. Because here is my advice. I could give you lots of advice for web development in general. Like stay off of Twitter, basically listen to nobody, and just start building stuff. Maybe pick a very friendly to newcomers stack, like Laravel, if you want to go the PHP route, or I would say Next.js. Maybe, I don't know, Next.js if you want to do like React stuff, but stop. Just stop. Don't even start down that path yet. Here's the thing. Yeah, Ruby on Rails, that'd be good. But here's the thing. Okay? Don't start with web development. Just don't. Start building like a CLI app. That's what I'm doing literally right now. Build like the simplest of simplest things where you can pass text into a CLI and then do stuff with that text and then respond. Learn like the basic concepts of programming without all the baggage of web development. Because the thing about web development, if you start down the web development path, like a lot of people are going to shove you down the React path. You're going to be on Next.js's docs and you're going to be learning how to build a website. And you have to now understand so many concepts that are just absurd, like bundling and serving up stuff in an optimal way on the web. All these concepts, React, whatever, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, all these things, and it's just too much. I think it's too much for newcomers. I don't think newcomers should be shoved into web development. I think you should start with just basic programming, like conditional statements and for loops and all the kind of things you could do with a basic command line interface. Okay? So my recommendation, and what would be the best framework? I gotta refine this advice. What would I start with for CLI apps? Go's fine. Go's fine. In like every way, Go is fine. So maybe I would start with Go, and I would start building a CLI in Go. Get good at C in computers. You could start that low, and I don't know. I don't have real strong opinions about the language. Just start off the web. Don't build stuff for the web yet. Get a good grasp of programming, and then move to the web. Okay, that's my advice. That's the only part I'm really opinionated about. Python's a great first language. That's actually great call out next. Build a CLI with Python. That's what I did in college. We started with Python. Start with Python. I actually think that's great advice. I hate Python now that I'm 15 years into my career because of what it does to my machine, and just managing Python versions is like a nightmare. But for just getting started, Python. Start with Python. There you go. Okay, that's all. That's my advice. Don't start on the web. There's too much. What was I doing? Okay, so we get stashed. I'm going to get pull. Now I've got all of Dax's migrations. Stiff Bushwhacker. That's an interesting name. Did you guys see that? His migration. Stiff Bushwhacker. Okay, so he added order to product. All fine and good. Let's do this now. Let's get stash pop. Oh, I hate get stash. Why do I hate get stash? Why? I don't understand. Why am I hesitant to get stash and then get stash pop? I don't understand it. I talked about that on the podcast, Leo. What's up, Leo, by the way? What's up? Yeah, it's a rite of passage to learn to dislike Python. Someday you'll not like Python, and you'll understand why you don't like it. And I'll be happy that you made that transition. But for now, start with Python. Here we go. Get stash pop. Okay, so we got some conflicts. No, that's not true. 10 meta 10 snapshot. So I didn't expect the migrations I didn't expect me to have differences in the migrations. This is a bummer. Let's start with order because that's probably more tenable. There we go. I don't know why my LSP was so slow. Merge conflict. Okay. Oh no, order's not gonna be fun. This is gonna be not fun. I told you this is a stream I could get triggered real quick because we're doing Git stuff right off the bat. Here we go. Updated upstream. So this is the changes that Dax made, and these are the changes that Adam made, and the ones that I want are what? Ugh. And then we have more down here. Okay, so he added this like catch around it. That's fine. I can add the catch around mine. So let's start with my. Here's what we're gonna do. Is that all of it? That's all of it. Okay. We're just gonna take my changes, and then we're gonna layer in. I'm gonna manually add his changes. Or can I just? Maybe I can just figure it out. Let's try. Famous last words. Maybe I can just figure it out. Let's try. Try, and then get rid of that. Okay, and then down here it's gonna be keeping this catch block. But moving it, this is gonna be a train wreck. Like down there, and then if I nail this first try, then we are set up for a great stream. I did not name it. I did not nail it first try. Okay, undo, 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 undo. Try again. I'm gonna do what I said I was gonna do, which is I'm gonna delete all of Dax's changes, and I'm gonna add them manually. Okay, that's what I said I was going to do, and that's what I'm going to do. Well, that's interesting. Is it actually still broken? I'm going to restart my LSP. Git Kraken. I've never gotten used to Git tools. I want to play with, what's the one everybody uses? There's the one Git Fugitive. Is it Git Fugitive, or is it just called Fugitive? There's that one I know people use. Lazy Git. I've heard of that one too. Yeah. Welcome to chat, you hands. I've always stuck with the CLI. I don't know. So I've got something broken here, and if I've got this broken, I'm inclined to go back to the other approach because this is what was broken on the first one. It's possible that I just had a broken file to begin with because I was in the middle of my changes last night and I just stopped working. Well, this sucks. Let's not get triggered though. Let's not get triggered. Let's undo. I want to just double check Dax's changes are actually just the try catch. Let's just make sure it's only a try catch. Stripe, visible error. It's hard to see because of the nature of this diff. Await stripe, confirm. I believe that's all that happened here, right? These all just got indented. I don't see any other changes. Wait. Yeah, that's all just indented, I believe. Why is that? Why is that deleted, though? I feel like that being deleted is interesting. Oh, he wasn't returning it before. No, he was. Yeah, he was. Never mind. Why is that line deleted? Is that just the nature of the diff being hard to figure out for GitHub or something? Okay. We're going to do this. Delete that line, and then delete all these lines because they didn't change. Okay, so now we have like our changes to this stuff inside a try catch, right? And then down here, what is that? Order item table. Oh, that change. We already have that change. Yeah. So then we delete that, and we delete all of these, I think. Oof. Did it work? Okay, let's trace this down. So we got that and that. Wait, what? Let's start down here. That is that, and then that closes that. And then, oh, we never have a closed. This is why I don't know why they deleted that. That line needed to be there. Okay, so we insert, and then we do that, and then why is cart item not existing? Why is cart item not existing? Where is cart item coming from? Huh. Huh. Okay. You know what? It's time to consider something. I'm going to consider something that I probably will regret. But I'm going to consider it. Is this a terrible idea? I'm considering abandoning all my changes and re-implementing. There's a few reasons for that. No, I got stuff in here I don't want to abandon. Or do I? Or do I? No, I'm going to abandon it all. I'm just abandoning all my changes. What's the best way to do that? Bad idea. Bad idea. Here's the thing. The reason I'm considering this is I realized do a partial stash. So I'll stash before I drop it, and then I'm just going to delete it all. The reason I implemented international shipping some yesterday, and then realized there's a totally different API I should use. I do need to keep. So I do need to keep the. I need to keep the custom stuff I did yesterday. The customs. Here's what I'm gonna do. Rebase force. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do back. Get status, and I'm gonna just get add. I don't know. Get status. Get commit. Do not merge. I don't even know if that's do not merge. We'll do whip. Whip do not merge. Okay. Get status, get push, which is going to tell me I got to do this. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm just going to push all that stuff up so I have it to reference, because there is some code in there I need, but I'm starting over. I'm declaring bankruptcy. Get checkout dev. Get status. And get log. Yeah, okay. Here's what I'm doing. Get pull, just to make sure. Yep, okay. We're back to a clean dev branch with none of my changes. Now I'm going to drag over the stuff that I need. Stuff that I actually worked on yesterday that was important. Let's see. Terminal. Navigate back to here. Yeah, compare and pull request. It's also remind me of all the stuff that I did yesterday. But we can, yeah, I deleted some, I cleaned, I just did too many different things, you know? Sometimes you just do too many different things. Ignore the snapshot, ignore the journal. So my database is the only casualty here. I'm gonna have to fix. Okay, I want to just go ahead and get rid of that stuff. I'm gonna make small incremental commits today. It's not a thing I normally do. Solja on YouTube says I should just rebase and force push. That is an approach. That is a thing I could do. I'm not gonna do that. What did I just do? I'm not going to do that, but it is a thing I could do. If I wanted to sort of establish some dominance, let's delete that and swell. Everywhere we say swell, I'm just going to start removing, like this file. And I think this file goes away. Yeah. Did I delete the API? Yeah, I deleted the old API already. Okay, cool. Swell. I'm just cleaning up. We're just doing some cleanup. Delete that. Secret. Swell secret. Swell. This is just one of the things I did yesterday. I made the mistake of doing like too many things in one change set, you know? Sometimes you gotta be kind of chatty. You gotta just like make small commits so you don't hate yourself later. Okay, so that gets rid of all the swell stuff. And then also some of the shippo. Like, what is this shippo? That can go away as well. Okay, what else did I do that it's just like cleanup stuff? I'm just gonna push a cleanup commit. Excuse me. Dollar. So cart index, order. All this stuff is pretty intense. Okay, shippo. That's got a lot of changes I actually need. I'm gonna rename the tables after I delete all this stuff in a commit, because some of the tables aren't named correctly. Okay. Shippo, that's not really a change. Deleted that file, deleted that file. Okay. Feels good. I'm gonna have to systematically go through all these files. Let's push this as a commit. Git status. Let me make sure I saved all. Okay. Git status. Git add. I wonder if everything builds. I can find out. Let's just do bundev. We're going to find out if stuff is broken. When I look at you. Prime would support the rebase, but I would appreciate watching Dax's reaction. Do a partial stash, coconut. What did I miss here over on Twitch chat? You guys are all just kind of watching me bang my head against Git. Use transaction as helper in this code base? Yes, it's a helper in this code base. That's right. This code base will be public soon. Paul, fine. An alias YOLO, git add all, git commit im, and git push force. Wow. You promised not to talk to you? Well, I didn't promise now, did I? Okay, git status, git add, git status. What was the diff to sst .inv? Where was that file? This one. I think I can clean up another secret. Do we use all of these? Interval, open API, SSH, shippo. Let's just go to here. We use all of these. Yes. Okay. Cool. I'm committing it. Git status, git commit, chore cleanup dead code. Git status. Okay. I'm gonna go and push that. It's probably gonna fail build. Whatever. Now I'm gonna do some renaming things because those bothered me yesterday, that we have some tables that are not named table. So like this one, I bet. Cart item, yeah. Rename table. Cart table, okay. And then there's another one somewhere in here. Order table, order item table, product table, product variant table, user, user table, user fingerprint table, and then user shipping table. Cool. Email octopus, is that used? So Stripe lives there. Why does shippo have its own index TS? Email octopus is like in the root, and so is Stripe. I don't like that, but I also don't know what I would do differently. So I guess I would probably move them all into directories, I guess. What's wrong with order? What? think you need to restart the language server. Okay. Not that. Are you using Vim? Yes, it's NeoVim. What do you use Airtable for? We used to use Airtable for something, and I don't know if we still do or not. So I'm just leaving it. We were using it for like a very primitive database early on, I think. Okay, so I renamed all those tables. Let's see. Any other cleanup on that front? No, that's good. Get status. Get add. Okay. Get push that. All right, we're moving. We're making progress. I'm just trying to separate out my concerns here. So when I make changes in a commit, they should be more focused. I shouldn't just be all over the place. I was like refactoring, but also adding features and just doing too much at once. Okay, so the actual international shipping. To accomplish that, what do I need? I need to change the cart. Actually, let's pull up the docs here. Let's pull up the docs because there's a Shippo API that I want to use that I didn't know existed before. Rates at checkout. What are service groups? Service group is a set of service levels grouped together. Rates at checkout use service groups to present available shipping options to customers. Yeah, we don't want to do that. We got ads in 2 minutes, and I'm going to pee during those ads, so please don't snooze them, mods. Please leave the ads. I need to pee. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait because we got ads. Let's see. Default partial template. So I got to figure out the templates. But this is what I want. Generate a live rates request. Initiates a live rates request. Include either the object ID for an existing address record or a fully formed address object when entering an address value. You can also enter the object ID of an existing user partial template or a fully formed. We're just going to do the fully formed stuff. We're just going to send the fully formed parcels. I don't need to get cute with it. Line items, parcel. Okay, really got to pee. Really got to pee. Snooze. The nerd man, the rename would have been a refactor, not a chore. No, I never used refactor. I'm not really using conventional commits probably the right way, to be honest, because I only use like 3 different prefixes. I use like feat for feature, fix, and chore, and whip. I've never used refactor as a prefix. But we also don't do anything with conventional commits. In fact, Solja, you asked a question. Your commit had the chore. Is this just a way to show others you did something you didn't want to do? Chore being like, I use chore for like, I don't know, if I'm updating like build stuff or... I don't know. I guess I use deps sometimes if I'm just updating dependencies. I do use that prefix. It's a concept, Solja, called conventional commits. Welcome to chat, drinking and driving. They're called conventional commits, and there's a bunch of tooling built around it. It's like this concept about how you could structure your commit messages to then like programmatically interact with them and like roll them up into release notes, things like that. So there's like some common prefixes people use. I use like some weird subset of them, and I never use any of the tooling. So like no one at Terminal said, we're going to use conventional commits. I just am so used to doing it that I just do it. But it's whatever. You have a separate feat repo. Feat with 2 E's. That's funny. You're funny, Adam. Have you tried any of the new Git tools like Jujutsu or Graphite? No. I've not heard of either of those things even. Okay, so we're going to ads in 20 seconds. I'm going to pee, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to get the international shipping going. I'm very excited. Following CC, it chore would mean, following conventional commits, chore would mean something that changes something in the repo that isn't the actual project. Yeah, chores are like not actual runtime code stuff. Okay, ads are starting. I'll be right back. I'm just going to pee while the ads are going, and I'll see you in a minute. Ads are over? Ads are over. Alright. Back to it. Back to it. Line items. Okay, so I need to send a request. A post to live rates. Live rates. And here's what the body needs to look like. Address from, address to. I believe these can actually be yeah, either a string or an or this, which is normal stuff. Oh yeah, I gotta collect phone number. Okay. Address to, same thing. And then, I thought there was a parcels. Oh, parcel. Let's see. It can be a parcel. Okay. So this is what I got to do. I got to make a call to live rates. We need to go to address, and I need to extend this to have a phone. Optional. I'm going to keep my code up over here so I don't forget any changes I made yesterday that are important. Right here. So I just added that. I can minimize it. Let's just work from the top. That's all done. Done. Okay, I'm going to get to that. That's done. Okay. So I got to add some fields to this guy. Shippo rate ID. No, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm doing it differently. Thanks for the info. I have around 1,500 commits on a few repos in a private GitLab server for work. My commit messages are any of the following: update, fix, and I don't know. It's funny. You guys are talking about the dependencies or something. Okay, whatever. I need to stop listening to chat. You guys are too distracting in a good way. I want to talk to you, but I also need to get stuff done. You know what I mean? Cart index. Okay. What was all this? That's just renaming the table. I also added some stuff. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. And then okay. I don't think I need to do all that. I think I need to do it differently. So get rates. This is where I do need to get the custom declaration stuff. This right here. And that's when we do post to shipments. Let's see if that also works. If I post to the transactions. Create a shipping label. Or it can be like this. Shipment. Yes. This is what I need to know. Parcels. Customs declaration. Yes. Okay. Cool. And I can do this inline. Okay. We're getting there. So I'm going to go ahead and make that change. I'm going to update. I'm going to carry all the customs stuff over. So in Shippo, in here, when we create a shipment, we need to... Okay, so this is the orders. Nothing changes on that. Oh, except the stuff that does change. Like, if it's international, where is that? Okay, so shipping is that. Let's call this terminal order. Yeah, nope. Const terminal order equals items, like that. And then this is terminal order. Okay, and then we're gonna say const country equals shipping dot country dot to uppercase, and we're gonna say international equals, no. GitHub was better yesterday. Copilot was better yesterday than it is today. What's that about? To address, we're gonna put phone on that as well. And then actually, did I put email on that? Yeah. Email is terminal order.email, and I gotta include that in the query. Email is customer. No, we gotta include the user table. I'm not doing that yet, right? User table, and that's gonna be ID, user ID. Yeah. User table.email. Yeah. Okay. So we got the email address. I had a little comment in here. International orders need a phone, and email helps, so that you guys can deal with VAT and all that stuff. Okay, this shipping method is now going to be shipping method. No, that's not right. None of that's right. It's gonna be, oh man, do I not still have these changes? Maybe it's up here. No. Bummer. Carrier accounts. Welp, I know basically what it is. It's international, and then otherwise it's that. So it's USPS priority mail international, I think. I'll look it up. I better look it up right now or I'll forget. Priority mail international. Let's see. Shippo USPS. Here we go. Priority mail international. Yeah, USPS Priority Mail International. Did I spell right? International. Yes. What's up, Pupskip? Welcome to chat. Sup. Is there a way to disable key constraints for an insert? What are we talking about? For chat, is anyone not bad at SQL? You guys are talking about SQL. Okay. Hello, Tuki. Hello. How are you? Okay, so if it's international, we use USPS Priority Mail International. Otherwise, USPS Ground Advantage. I also want to put in here shipping costs. I'm going to comment that out. It's just a reminder that we can add these, and we probably should. Where was that? I also need the little like token names. Where is that at? We'll get to it. Where did I see that shipping cost is an option here? On create orders. Orders. Create a new order. Yeah, this is where it's at. Subtotal price, shipping costs, and shipping cost currency. Shipping, yeah. Cost currency. I thought it was going to tell me, or it was going to fill it in for me, but it didn't. Okay, so we can do something like that. And then we can also do subtotal price, total price. Let's just do this. Like this. Okay. So that's something I want to get to. I want to eventually, we should probably add all this. All of this should probably be included in the order. Why not? It'll just be more information that is helpful. Okay, that's all good. Phone, email. Okay, so that's orders. Nothing else changed. Now, post to transactions. This did change. Address from, address to, parcels. That's the same. Carrier account and service level token. Okay, so this right here. This international should be something else. International should be what? Let's yank this. And shippo that thing. I want all of them. I want to know all of the different codes. What are those called? Service level tokens? Shippo service level token. There we go. I did this yesterday, apparently. Service level token. Yeah. No. Here we go. See service levels. Boom. This is the one. U.S. Priority Mail International. Got it. Okay. So that's still good. The carrier count. Okay, and then we log the shipment. Okay, all that's fine. Oh, and this is where we gotta add customs. So let's close that. Close that. Here, customs declaration. Where are you? Right here. I guess I need the whole key and everything. So we'll do that right above the carrier count. Okay, so this is the customs declaration, so we can send it to you filthy animals overseas. I'm just kidding, you're not filthy. Price. Why don't those have price on them? Let's just include it. Price is going to be product, variant table dot price, and I'm already joining on that. Okay, so product variant table price. Okay, so we got a customs declaration. Feels good. Anything in here wrong? No, it's all great. So if it's international, we want to include that. Did I check for Canada here somewhere, right? Shipping country. That can just be country, because I'm already capitalizing that one, right? Yeah. Okay. All that's great. So this code is now international friendly. Friendly to the international folks. What else do I need to do? Now, okay, so now I need we want to give shipping estimates to people. So when we create an order, when we convert cart, in here, we're gonna need to, like somewhere in here, we're gonna say, subtotal shipping. This right here, cart shipping. This is gonna change. To do, change it. Okay, so think about this. At this point, we're converting a cart. We know the country that we're shipping to. If it's international, then we're going to calculate shipping differently. Shipping is going to come from a place on the cart. So, okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to store this on the cart. This is what me and Dax talked about yesterday. I just forgot. So on the cart table, we're going to now have a shipping cost. And I named these something yesterday, but we're going to maybe go away from that. I don't think it's going to be a shippo. Yeah. So it's not going to be shippo. It's going to be I'm going to copy one of these, but it's not going to be this stuff. It's going to be, so the rate amount, let's just do this. Instead of it being shippo specific, because I'm actually going to I'm going to put the shipping cost, just in general is going to go here. And I'm going to update it every time you do anything that changes the cart. I'm going to update the shipping cost Right. Welcome, Dax. Amount shipping. Thank you. Amount shipping? Why in that order? Why not shipping amount? Dax. Soldier, I might need a test dummy. Welcome to chat, 21 Coke and 5 on me. Sometimes you're filthy. Welcome to chat, think out loud. What's the motivation for the export module as opposed to using classes? Whoa, Dax, you said other things. What'd you say? Hi, oh cool, your screen is impossible to see. What? What's impossible to see? What's up, pup skip? I already saw that. What's impossible to see, Dax? And also, why amount shipping? Time created, time updated, amount, subtotal, amount shipping. Got it. So, Dax, now that you're here, I have questions. Amount shipping. Should I just update this? Were you thinking I'd update this even with our little, like, free shipping thing? So things are sorted in order. Okay, got it. Like, I'll update this. Yeah, okay. Stefan, the motivation is Dax hates classes. That's basically it. Should I also put like a shipping description in here, Dax? Like the type of shipping it is, USPS, whatever, priority mail. Do you want to store that on the cart? What do you think? Also, what's impossible to see about my screen? What do you mean by that? Because chat's in the way? Do we show it? I'm saying we could show it in the cart. That's why I would put it there, but we could just not. We could just not do that. I don't know if it really adds anything. Just now that we're going to actually be like grabbing shipping rates, we could show delivery estimates and everything in the cart if we wanted. When you were in the browser, I couldn't see anything because of your dumb face in chat. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. This side of the screen is just kind of dead now. I should probably put like a window pane there that's just a nothingness so I know not to use that space, but whatever. Then I just lose so much real estate. Okay, amount shipping. I'm just going to do the amount shipping. I'm not going to show anything else right now, but later we could add like showing the type of service and all that, right? I'm just not going to do it right now. Too much to do. Okay, amount shipping. I need to create a migration for that. So then this is going to be populated. Should I do amount subtotal too? Wait, Adam, I was wrong. We called it shipping amount on order. Yeah, so this also exists on the order. Well, just amount. There's no shipping amount. Am I looking at the wrong spot? Oh, that's order item. Ha. Ship out order ID, shipping address, shipping amount. Yeah. So you want to call it shipping amount on the cart? Okay, shipping amount. There was something else I just thought. Were we going to add something else to this? What was it? Oh, the subtotal. Do you want the subtotal on the cart? No. We calculate that. We're fine. Okay. We just calculate that. I think that's fine. So I'm going to create a migration. Push D packages core. Bun, run, db, generate. Ugh. This is so scary. Ah. Ugh. Okay. I don't know why migrations scare me, but they scare me. I did just abandon my changes, Dax, because you made database changes and I just didn't want to mess with it. So my database is probably wrong. Why is generate scary? It's not, I guess. Okay. Alter, add shipping amount. Yeah, I know I have to do db migrate. Dax, how would you do this? I migrated some columns yesterday that I ended up abandoning. They're in my current planet scale database. Should I just drop the table? What would you do? What would you do? Because I just deleted the migration files. Did you run the migration in mine? Oh, yeah, the conflict on migrations are insanely annoying. I could just drop the affected table. It's what? It's a cart, right? The only change is cart. You just drop it. Drop and recreate the table from shell is usually what I do. Why not drop it from here? Why not just, I can just do it right here. There's like a console. Atom. Console. I said there's a console. I'm pretty sure there's a console. I don't know where it is. Never mind. There's no console. Why? Why did I think there was such a thing? Oh, console. There we go. Branch, atom. Did you know you could do this in? I'm sure you knew this. So drop table, drop table. This is branch atom. I see that safely. Full create command in the production branch. I'm just gonna. Oh, I'll have to recreate it. Drop and recreate a table from shell. So wait a minute. If any other migrations were created, you can see the full create command in the production branch. Okay, I think I understand. So drop table cart, and then you're saying I can go into find me. I could do like terminal, and then production tables. You're saying like this will give me the full table. If I just go to cart, this is like this is a clean. I can use this. Yeah, I can use it. Okay, now I can run db migrate, right? Now I can say bun run db migrate. I hope I can. Feels good. Feels good. I think we're good. I think we got the db migration done and settled. So now, let's see. How do I want to do this, Dax? I want to update this every time. Would you like do this in an event or something? I want to sync. No, it's just whenever you change the address. So when you do set address, is that what we want to do in here in the cart? There's like a set shipping. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, just in here. The problem with doing it in an event is the front end needs to be notified. Yeah. So we'll just do it in here. When you set shipping, really want to build a simple sync layer. Oh, like, yeah, I know. Yeah, that would have been nice a long time ago, actually. Now I don't care because I've already done all the brutal stuff. So this one right here, when you update the cart, we're gonna set shipping amount right here, right? So I'm gonna calculate the shipping amount. Const shipping shipping amount equals shipping subtotal. Right, that's the thing you have in here. So this function I'm not gonna change. Or could I? Do that call outside the transaction? Okay. Technically, it has to be recalced when you add items too. Oh yeah, true.